Hi, I can show you how to use the Honda generator inside our unit so that the PIL 1000G can be operated with the Honda generator. So the first thing you do is unscrew the locking nut of the generator tray, slide it out. All the way. Make sure you can unhook the wing nuts and take the crossbar out. The Honda generator, the EU2000 or the 2200, after unfolding these straps, to make sure that the ignition switch is facing outwards, you hold it, you align the legs inside the hole, and then you can slide it in. You can lock the generator with the straps, stays in place, and you can slide it in all the way. Then lock the clip nut here. The last step would be to put the wing nuts back on along with the crossbar and tighten it all the way down. You can plug in the power, and then you can look at the Honda operation manual as to how to operate the Honda so you can get power to the light. Thank you.